Looking for the inside scoop on a work from home job with no experience required? This video is for you. My name is Khalif Williams. I am a married girl dad of two beautiful daughters, 3 and 8 years old. And last year, I was up against some debt that I didn't have to pay. So I needed to earn income, and I needed to earn it fast around my schedule. So I knew the best option would be a work from home job because it would be able to line it up around what I was already doing. But I realized I didn't have any experience. So the thing with that I had got out of practice with is when you're applying for a job, even working from home, you have to get a resume together. You have to interview. And then if you move past that, you have to take an assessment and pass that. And I didn't want to deal with any of that. So in comes the best work from home opportunity with no experience. And it is the Legacy Builder program inside the digital growth community. No experience is required with this opportunity. Training is free, and it's all based around a 2-hour workday that teaches you step by step how to make 100% profit from proven, done for you digital products. What I love most about this is the money, right? 100% profit, which is exactly what I needed because I needed to make money and I needed to make money fast. So this allowed me to plug into this within 24 hours and launch and make my first profits within the first 7 days. And the best part is the products are created for you. So I didn't even have to figure out if my product was viable or not. The research was already done, and I got to keep 100% of the profits. And then it's based around a 2-hour workday. Within those 2 hours, you literally have a class that teaches you how to get daily paying customers that are looking exactly for these products. If you didn't know, this industry on average grosses about $1.2 billion a day, right? And this work from home opportunity allows you to get in front of those people already spending that money and put anywhere from $100 to $900 per day per sale directly in your bank account like clockwork. And I'm not talking a weekly or bi-weekly or monthly paycheck. This is daily pay. I'm able to do 30 minutes here around my wife, 30 minutes there around my kids, an hour after they all go to sleep until the 2 hours is complete, because that's the income producing activity. Because all the selling, all the telling, and all the closing is done by the automated system that the company sets up once for you, and it works 24/7, so you don't have to. It's perfect for the person that doesn't have another 20 or 40 hours a week to give to an employer. This is a lifestyle work from home opportunity that you can do anywhere in the world. So if that's you and you're looking for something that you can get started immediately, that you don't have any experience, right? And you want to start learning while you're earning, this is the perfect marriage. The Legacy Builder inside the digital growth community is a done-for-you solution to allow you to work from home with no experience. If you want more information, please visit getdailypayments.com. That's getdailypayments.com, and all the information is there. I also will link in the description the information to get this checked out. Right? This is perfect for busy moms, busy dads that want something on top of their full-time job, right? To start earning an income, right? Passively coming in without fail, right? You're able to start paying down debt, right? Money's coming in, and you know how you're going to pay for groceries, how you're going to pay your rent, how you're going to pay your mortgage, right? Or your car note, right? Stop postponing your life, giving all your time and resources to these jobs. Check out this opportunity. I'll see you inside.